Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Universe app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Universe is a mobile-first website builder app designed to let users create professional-looking websites directly from their phones. It uses a simple grid-based interface where you can drag and drop elements like text, images, videos, buttons, and more. No coding required. The app is popular among small business owners, creators, and freelancers looking for quick online presence with minimal setup. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is very beginner-friendly and surprisingly powerful for mobile use. Users love how easy it is to customize pages, connect domains, and even set up simple e-commerce stores with payment options like Apple Pay and Stripe. You can also track orders and see visitor analytics inside the app. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced customization is limited, and power users might find the tools too basic. Some users report occasional bugs, especially when syncing changes between devices. The free version also comes with limited features and universe branding, which may not suit everyone. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Universe is a great app for quickly building a personal or business website without needing a laptop or any technical skills. It's ideal for creators on the move, but if you need deep customization or robust store features, you might want to explore other platforms too. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.